Thutha wa maseneta kurega kufuja cikaro cia bunge kwa ihinda kurumirira mirurungano ya mbeu njithi iria yacungirire gutharikirwo gwa cikaro cia bunge keri ga kiumia kihituku, umuthi maseneta ni moire ihinda gucakaya ikuo, nguraro na uthukangia wa indo cia muingi hindi ya mirurungano ya Gen Z, na ho manyita mbaru mateta maria mbeu njithi makoretwo namo. Matongoretio ni Speaker wa Senate Amason Kingi atongoria maugite ihinda ni ikinyu ria gutangikira mateta ma mbeu njithi na muingi wa bururi maundu matanathuka makiria na mathararie urumwe wa bururi.
We are doing this at a time that the people of Kenya feel, and rightfully so, that leaders have used them and dumped them.
We are deeply embarrassed, Mr. Speaker, that it has taken young children to point to us that you are naked as our leaders. Extremely troubling.
Makinyita mbaru maundu maria mbeu njithi mararegana namo ari ni hamwe na mwathanire muru, nyongerera cia magoti, ungumania na witangi wa indo cia muingi, wagarari wa watho na uhaguku wa mitugo ya atongoria. Maseneta maugite bururi utuikite kimamo kia wikinai, kuona mundu uri na mbeca gutiri undu atangika, guku aria matari magitigwo mekonotete na kwaga gucenjia bururi wahota kuririmbuka.
People are angry and hate us because of impunity. The impunity of MPs shooting members of the public dead. And they are set free. And we say we are living in a country of rule of law. Mr. Speaker, there is anger and hatred because the government is unable to fix this monster called CBC system. That system has killed free primary education. That system has destroyed the quality of education.
Na ugiomwe riu ni moritie thirikari na honge ciothe ciayo ciike mogaruruku ma kunyihia mahuthiro na witangi wa kigina kia muingi riri bururi uragerera moritu ma kimbeca. Oho ni moritie honge ciothe cia kuhitana na ungumania EACC undu umwe na guthingatithia mwathanire mwega ciike mituki kuhitana na ungumania niguo gucokia mwihoko wa muingi.
The Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission and other government multi-sector agencies in the governance, justice, law and order sector to upscale and make concerted effort to fight corruption.
Mr. Speaker, if we don't refuse these things, people like Murkomen will think that they are giving us their money. It's not their money. Those are proceeds of corruption.
If today EACC was serious, 3/4 of governors would be in jail by now. I can tell you for free. Because even some of the people serving at the state officers, Mr. Speaker, they should be in jail. But EACC have failed us.
Ne mathiete na mbere kuria ruhonge rwa borithi rutacukirie makinya ma kiwatho maabitha a borithi aria marekwirwo kuhuthira matharaita mao mugaru na watho, na rutige kunyita migwati andu na marekwirwo gutongoria mirurungano ya thayu, na macira ma mirurungano mathikiririo na ihenya o ta uria kwahoteka. Oho ni mokiriria runao thiini wa bunge ya bururi makiuga makoretwo makihuthira iturwa ciao undu umwe na kigina kia ukuria wa matura NGCDF gwitongia na uguo kurekereria andu matari na wiguririku kwigwatira iturwa nene thirikari-ini. Riu makiendekithia President William Ruto afuje ndudi yake ya maminista kuona amwe ao mahitukirio na njira iri na kiriga thiini wa bunge.
As a demonstration that he has listened and understood what the people are saying, reduce the size of your cabinet from 21 to 14, the minimum. Merge departments.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Njoroge wa Kimani.